My people, thank God for these people life as they take escape by their flight, and thank God for the pilot. He get wisdom. He know, as in the pilot really try. I go leave una una watch the video, but the pilot try. He deserve award. If not, all these people now, all of them for just turn to RIP. Now the wisdom when the man gets, now the man fit take land successful for Nare Grand. Then everybody come rush come out for inside the flight. Thank God for their life. Say no, they don't lose any life for inside this flight, for this flight crash when it be just happen today. So now the news when just they trend for everywhere be this one. Thank God for their life, guys. Please share this video, comment. Thank God for their life. Comment, thank God for their life. At least if you celebrate with those when they celebrate, God go still make you get good news when people go still celebrate with you for. Okay, guys. See you guys in my next video. May I leave una watch wetin happen.